Yo, Wagwan, it's that guy. Not Locs on the nation. So, I was curious about what Lil B based god Locs are looking like these days. And after they brought up Not Nation's name on the No Jumper podcast about a discussion on Lil B's fake locks, I found it interesting to go and check out what his locks are actually looking like. And to no surprise, a photo popped up. It's like the energy was just like manifesting itself towards me. And a photo popped up, of current Lil B. And I feel like current Lil B right now actually has 100% freeform locks. And he's not in that fake lock stage anymore. In fact, I was super surprised because he's also grown in the beard and the mustache for that true natty look. Super impressed by this. We have seen now the next level of based god come into play. Of course, if you have never heard of Lil B, he is one of the greatest innovators, trendsetters of the hip hop era. Well before his time. I mean, he was way ahead of his time in hip hop and in social media game. Looking at these pictures here, I can actually see that his locks are taking a new shape. They're taking a true shape. None of them really looking cylindrical, but flat and ribbon-like. Zero parting going on the scalp, showing a lot of new growth coming in. It's got that real natty rugged look to them. That true freeform look, compared to even before, we can see when he didn't have a beard and he was clean cut, still on that pretty boy look. It's almost like he's dropped the pretty boy look now, for sure. But this was the last era of that look, when his locks were like just before going into like the freeform stage. Crazy to see this. Lil B's locks now freeformed. And he's been through a lot of different styles of locks. He's got the fake locks put in, or let's call them faux locks. And before, of course, he was rocking the fade, always switching it up, always leveling up. And it's good to take note of that, because we too can level ourselves up when we put our mind to it. And I feel like it's a continual progress that we have to do within our lives, is to be sure that we're always leveling up, whatever it may be in. Because staying stagnant, it's a comfortable place. And being so could keep you at a low in the long term. So let's continue our progression. Shout out to Lil B for going on the freeforms, and shout out Not Nation for watching this video.